Hey guys, here's how to use Bing's AI image generator to generate really high quality images with AI. You can use it by clicking the link in the description. Here you have to write a prompt to generate the images. Here you can explore the images and the ideas. Okay, so I'll write a prompt here. A man standing on a boat looking at the sunset. And then I'll click on create. It will generate 4 images and you can choose which one you like best. You can click on the one you want to download and look how good that look. You can see it is pretty high quality as well. All of the recent images are going to be saved in this recent section. You can download the image. Let's download. Click on download. And this is the image. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.